Come test drive this 2007 Nissan Xterra. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.